mấy chỗ này chỉ cái trang trong phải là nói nhà mong report nhau rồi tổ chức đâu sao cái mà rồi nó nhà in nước cái dòng bên luận chứ cho từ US attorney ở cái tổ cùng là tuần chứ rồi bên chỗ mong rồi nó giờ là bây giờ mình chứ rồi nữa bên lulu ha mà bên kho nụ cái sáng nụ rồi nè. Thank you for being here and with the community.
My pleasure, and I really enjoyed it. Thank you for hosting us.
Why just the Hmong?
Well, it's not just the Hmong community. So I've been out talking to Latino community. I've visited with the Muslim community. I've visited with many different communities that are part of the district that we represent. So I touched on a number of issues that are common to many different communities. One of the issues that I wanted to talk about with this community had to do with marijuana cultivation, simply because in some of the cases that we have brought, some of the individuals that have been charged have been Hmong, and we want to try to make sure that the community is aware what the federal law is.
We would like to touch back a little bit about the case back in 2007 all the way to 2011. What made you decide to drop the case?
Well, I'm not at liberty to talk about the internal deliberations of the Department of Justice, but after lengthy discussions within the department, I decided that the case should be dismissed, and so that's the action that we took. I understand that the case has left some deep feelings in the community. I totally understand that. And part of my purpose here tonight is to sort of try to begin some of the healing so that we can look forward and work together with the Hmong community on important public safety issues that affect them.
We are very proud to represent General Vang Pao in his fight for freedom. General Vang Pao is innocent. He will be shown to be innocent. It's a long, hard process. In the end, we will win.
I could guarantee, I would promise you, the United States of America will not find another ally as loyal and as powerful and strong as the Hmong community for sure.
Why not the U.S. Department to say a word apology to the Hmong community?
Well, generally we don't get in the business. There are lots of cases that we handle, and we don't get in the business of issuing apologies about particular cases. And I can't really get into the reasons for the dismissal of that case. But I will say that I do think it's unfortunate that there was such a that it created such a gulf between us and the Hmong community. And I'm very hopeful that going forward we're going to be much more united in addressing issues that we're all concerned about.
Regarding the VP on General Vang Pao's death, would the Hmong community feel that due to his heart problem, due to the stress or the arrest for that? Can you comment on that?
I really don't know anything about that. I've never met the general. I'm sorry that he had the health concerns that he did, but what caused them, I'm not a medical doctor. I've never met him. I wasn't involved in the case at the time. I really don't know what the source of his medical concerns were. So,
the case of three defendants will come back and counter-sue the government or the U.S. Justice Department. You said the case had been dismissed, but as we know that the case had been moved to San Francisco, is that true?
No, the case wasn't moved to San Francisco. My office was what we call recused from the case because the lawsuit was brought against agents who conducted a case that was prosecuted by my office. We thought it was best that my office not be involved. So they were lawyers from San Francisco that represented the government instead of lawyers from my office. But my understanding is the case has been dismissed. So I hope that that's the end of this matter and that we can again move on to other issues that are more important for the future.
Bắt đầu mình do ít từ cái thầu cho bé sụt là một rally từ trang trọng phứ do U.S. Attorney cái tòa prosecutor bé trong mong cho thấy cho,但是nó bé học tàu tôi nhớ ok, còn nó có sao đấy chứ?
do ít khó chỉnh chính cái giống một sai lù, do bé do sáng hạt chú kế cứ upload ổn đủ nó để do chỉ mong tăng tạ, đến chế bé tạ nó tăng một chỗ bé tìm mi tu mi nhung là chụp bao tăng. 但是别么晒路哈，但也是有么真大路因，我真正严重有害呢。但是头别头长，别我长高了，还全过了么中不了了。原来呢，头中不了了，但了老别梦一直么那个，เอาไปถูกฟ้องรัฐบาลสิฮะเดี๋ยวรัฐบาลยิ่งจะ么เลิกตัวสิฮะอย่างยังมาหาลูจะเป็น么ใช่ยิ่งถือแต่ในพวกปอเลยจะจะนู้นจะยิ่งปล้องดูตังเลยแต่ตาเลยอย่าไว้ขอเก่งเกิดเลยซึ thì vì chú kế lên nó thì biết tàu thì cho luôn ta chú kế phong kế dư tòn đây nó ở một lần chỉ là biết chẳng sao chỉ sau sinh hàng tàu thì nó biết sai yếu chủ cho lo tua ha của biết một chú kế phong yên gì ở một tên mình là sao chạy chú khang là lo chỉ là một yên đề biết mà chẳng không còn giờ lo yên đề là tháo lo khác biếtแต่ไม่วันตาเป็นเดไม่โอเคไอ้ก็จะchú khang làเขาเนี่ยchú kếกูchú kế sáng của lên nó
cú sáng tại cho họ là New York prosecutor cứ thầu cứ trong bao chuyện nhỏ New York họ cứ chỉ họ cảnh sát cứ nhớ được bị lùi rồi cho bị hại tao này mong được cho bị lùi rồi nó mà cho bị giờ hại mong chỉ New họ cảnh sát chuyện nhỏ chỉ thầu bị buồn bị chỉ sáng từ họ cho họ là New York prosecutor cho lùi chạy nhiều họ chỉ họ là bao chuyện nhiều tốt cái này chuyện tốt cho họ lực này nhở chỉ họ nữ cứ chờ họ cứ ở đây hiểu nhận ra tại ở nhà bắt sang tốt này họ cứ thầu ở đây họ prosecutor cho tao chỉ sang nữ chắc ăn tôi cho cái phong hiệu đó bị lùi rồi nếu có gì họ cứ chỉ biết rồi cho một sáng của thông rồi ha sáng sẽ lựa chọn trong phiếu bộ are they real are they honest about their intent to establish a relationship with the Hmong community.